Hi guys and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to netflix.com. In here, select the three dots on the upper right. On the pop-up, select Settings. In here, use the search bar. And then on the search bar, you are going to be searching for hardware acceleration. Make sure you turn this on. Then turn it off, then select Relaunch. Once you're now here, head on over back to your Discord application. Once you are now in Discord, select User Settings on the bottom left. Then on the left corner, scroll down, then select Advanced. Once you are now in here, you will see hardware acceleration once again. This time, turn it off. On the pop-up, select OK. Wait for Discord to finish reloading this time. Then the next step is to add Google Chrome here and your Netflix stream is on Discord. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like,